welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I am so happy to have this. I think this month looked really great. I did peek a little bit because I can't help myself. So let's just get started. I'm gonna first start with talking about what last month's box, what I thought. And I know I didn't get to do an unboxing of this. I did film one at one time and it just didn't turn out. So I kind of just tossed the video. So I guess you'll see kind of what I got as I go. This is obviously reviewing the December box. Was there a theme? Discover yourself, maybe? Shine on? I don't know. Let's just get started. The first thing, and I know I picked this item, was the Tarte Shape Tape Stay Spray. Wait, Tarte Stay Spray, not Shape Tape anything. Tarte Stay Spray. This retails for $25. I thought it was really good. I used it a lot this last month and good enough to continue to use it. I don't think it's good enough to replace the MAC Fix Plus that I love, or even the Morphe, and the Morphe is cheaper than this, but I thought it was great. I'm glad I have it. I'll definitely use it. I would repurchase it if I mean, it's like I don't like it. I do still prefer my ones that I've used forever. So, but I mean, I would if I needed to, if I had to. All right, the next thing that we got was from Evolve Skincare Super Oil, valued at $68. It is in this cute little white bottle. I know people were looking at this in the light. It is only filled about halfway. I used it for about a week, maybe a little bit longer, and it was good. I don't feel like it did much for my skin. I definitely wouldn't pay $68 for it, but it didn't break me out, which is always a plus, and it was okay. I wouldn't purchase it, but I'll use it. I'll finish using it. All right, the next thing that we got is a brush from Complex Culture. This is their Press and Set Bronzer Brush, valued at $35. Here it is. I have used it. As you can tell, I actually used it for blush, not bronzer. But I did like how you could squeeze it. I think I've used it for bronzer a little bit because I remember squeezing it to get smaller areas. I really liked this. I thought the quality was really good. For $35, I probably would buy more of a brand name that I know than to buy one that I don't know much of, but I do like the quality of it. It is good. It does have a little bit of hairs that have come out, but it's still new. I mean, I've only washed it once, so I need to wash it again, but it was good. I was happy. The bag that we got was this silver metallic bag, which I didn't use, and I probably should. It has a nice navy, very pretty. Probably should pull that out. The next product that I received was a set of lip balms in the scent Peppermint and Vanilla. They retail for $7.98 for two of them. I actually gave one to my daughter and I just threw this one in here. This is the peppermint one. I just don't want to get chapstick in my Ipsy boxes. This was kind of a disappointing product only because I can go buy this at the store easily myself. I like to get stuff that I don't or wouldn't think about picking up, or things that I could try that are new, and this is just kind of a boring product, but it will get used at my house, so they got me there. It will get used. Anyways, and then the last thing we got was from Ipsy, the Fulton Eyeshadow Quad. Retails for $60. I don't know about that. I've never heard of it, but I got the gold packaging. I think there was two packages you could have gotten. Mine is completely dirty because if I can get this thing to go back down. I did use it a couple times, and I made the mistake of taking out this rubber piece, and then I wanted to put it back in, and trying to get these back in the spots was a nightmare. So if I take this out again, I won't ever put it back in. I'll throw it out. So because I kind of, as you can see, I kind of ruined a couple of the shadows, like this one and this one, and now it's just completely dirty. So, but that's not why we're here. We're here about how the shadows are. Were they $60 worth of quality? No. But I know that's including the palette that you can put more shadows in. So I think if you were to break it down And I think I did even look this brand up. I can't remember, but I want to say like these ended up being like $8-ish or $9 a pan, which is not terrible when you look at that cost. But the shadows, I just didn't think were that good of quality. I did like them. I mean, this color is beautiful. It's kind of a, can you see, a pink cream, has a little bit of shimmer. I mean, it really is just gorgeous color. So, hello. It's not gonna zoom in on that. So, I would never pay $60 for this. But I do think the packaging is cute. It feels sturdy. I think it would be safe to travel with this because it just feels like your shadows aren't going to get broken in this. And I do like how they have this plastic thing that is stuck in here to cover the mirror and to protect the shadows. I think that's actually a nice feature on it. So all in all, it was a good month. I was very happy with my Ipsy, that down, with my Ipsy Ultimate, well, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. These, trying to remember the names of these is hard. So I'm happy and I can't complain. All right, the next, the unboxing of this month of January. I'm so excited for this box. It looks like the theme is clean slate. Clean slate, looks very pretty. And we definitely got prices in here, which is great. So let's get started. I will start with what I actually chose. And I chose the Huda Beauty Rubies Obsessions. I'm not sure why I chose this. I can't remember what the choices were. But this obviously must have been my favorite. But it looks beautiful. I mean, it's gorgeous. I do like reds for a color, so this is something that I would end up using probably more so than if it were a blue palette or a green palette or even an orange palette. So I'm happy to have this. This retails for $27, which I know is correct. And yep, I'm excited to try it out. We'll see. I wasn't too impressed with the brown one that I received a couple months ago, but I think it's just because I didn't give it really a chance. It's kind of it's my fault. It's my fault. All right, then the next thing I received, so that I chose, the rest obviously were picked for me, is from Purley's Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. Is it eye cream? Eye Adore. I would think that means eye cream. Your under eyes, yes. I am so excited. I love eye cream. I didn't even realize that that's what this was. Oh, I love it. This values at $58. I don't know if this is full size. It says it's $58. This is a size of a half an ounce, half of a fluid ounce. So that could be full size for an eye cream, but we'll have to see. Very excited to try that out. The next product that I received is from Nature's Cartel. It retails for $15, which sounds about right for a midstream type lipstick, since I've never heard of it, being a more luxurious brand, and I obviously don't see this brand in the drugstore, so medium range sounds probably right. It's called Lipstick in 90s Nostalgic, which I can already tell you is probably a color I'm not going to totally like. It's probably going to have a lot of brown in it, even though I love the 90s. They were the best, and I would go back. I actually might like that. Ooh, I like it. It's definitely not as dark as the tip is. It's kind of a little bit more sheer, which for me is perfect because I don't pull browns off very well. What does it say? Creamy, non-drying formula feels comfy on lips, which I will agree. Brown mauve lipstick. I like it. Oh, I like it. Now I'm even happier because that was the product that I knew. I was like, well, it's going to be brown. My mom's going to get another lipstick. She's going to like it. And I think I like it. I mean, maybe I'll see this video and think I look like a crazy lady. But as of right now, I do like it. My hair is almost dry. This is like my, let's see, 1, 2, one, two, three, fourth video. My hair started out completely wet, I think in the alert video, and now it's almost dry. So it's not taking forever. Okay, sorry. The bag that we got is very pretty. It has the marble on this side and kind of the design with like a kind of silvery metallic type color. Very beautiful. I really like that. So there we go with that. All right, and then I have two more products. The next one is by Sugar Cosmetics. It is Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in Albi Black. It costs $11.99. I'm pretty sure this is full size. I like black eyeliner. I'll try it. I know people complain about getting it, but I will use it, so I'm happy. And then the last thing that I got in my box is these two highlighters, Space Case Cosmetics Seen from Space Highlighter Duo in 1C and 1B. So it says these are $18. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know, do they come in duos like this? Because that just seemed a little weird that we got two and they look full size, but maybe they come in a pack of two. But then I'm also confused because they're in their own packaging. So let's see, this is 1B. I don't really like packaging where the lid comes completely off. I don't know, it's just not my favorite. Ooh, they feel kind of like a cream. Packaging is a little bit cheap. Feel kind of like a cream. Can you guys even see that? I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there you go. Do you see? It's kind of a goldy color. And then this one looks more champagne. It's in 1C. Are these supposed to feel like cream? Ooh, that one's really pretty. Let's see if you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? Ugh. Okay, so where is it? This one on top that you can really see, and then there's one like right there. Can you see them? They look nice. I hope you can see. One's lighter than the other. I'll probably like the lighter one better than this top one, but they look really pretty. They do feel like a cream to powder. Is that what? Yep, cream to powder texture. It's cruelty-free and vegan, so that is nice. And those retail for $18. So it was a good box. I am so excited for everything that I've gotten in my subscription boxes so far. I think I only have my Sephora box, my Fashionista box left, and I have been so happy. What did you guys get in your Ipsy box? Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and are you guys just as happy? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.